Last month, I was at a party feeling totally invisible. No girl even glanced my way. Then I remembered a psychology trick I'd learned. I tried it, and suddenly, 3 girls approached me that night. In this video, I'm going to share that trick, plus 9 others that will transform your dating life forever. Hi, this is Max from Psych2Love. Our mission is to help you be your best, attract the rest. First trick is to mirror her body language. Have you ever noticed how people tend to mimic each other's movements? That's no coincidence. It's called mirroring, and it's a powerful psychological technique that can help you build rapport with someone you're interested in. Here's how it works. Subtly copy her posture, gestures, and even the pace of her speech. If she leans forward, you lean forward too. If she crosses her legs, do the same. But remember, the key word here is subtle. You don't want to look like copying her. 2. Compliment her sincerely. Who doesn't love a good compliment? But here's the thing, not all compliments are created equal. The key to making a compliment truly effective is sincerity and specificity. Instead of generic praise like "you look nice," try something more thoughtful and unique. Notice something specific about her that you genuinely appreciate. Maybe it's the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passion, or how her laugh can brighten up the room. For example, you could say, "I love how enthusiastic you get when you talk about your work. It's really inspiring." This shows that you're paying attention and appreciating her for who she is, not just her appearance. 3. Maintain prolonged eye contact. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and there's some truth to that when it comes to attraction. Maintaining eye contact is a powerful way to create a sense of intimacy and connection. The trick is to hold eye contact just a little longer than you normally would in casual conversation. When she's speaking, give her your full attention and keep your gaze steady. When you're talking, don't be afraid to look directly into her eyes. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "she likes me" in the comments below to make her like you. 4. Engage in light touching. Physical touch is a powerful tool in building attraction, but it needs to be used wisely and respectfully. We're talking about casual, innocent touches that create a sense of closeness without crossing any boundaries. For instance, you might lightly touch her arm when making a point in conversation, or briefly place your hand on her back when guiding her through a door. These small gestures can create a spark of electricity and make her more aware of you in a physical sense. 5. Show vulnerability. In a world where many guys try to project an image of perfect strength, showing a bit of vulnerability can be refreshingly attractive. It makes you more relatable and human, and it invites her to connect with you on a deeper level. This doesn't mean you should dump all your problems on her or pretend to be weak. Instead, it's about being honest about your feelings, admitting when you've made mistakes, or sharing personal stories that reveal your authentic self. 6. Ask open-ended questions. Want to know a secret? People love talking about themselves. By asking open-ended questions, you give her the opportunity to share her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, which makes her feel valued. Instead of asking yes or no questions, go for questions that invite elaboration. For example, rather than "Did you have a good day?" try "What was the highlight of your day?" This encourages her to open up and share more details about her life. 7. Use her name. There's something magical about hearing your own name. It grabs your attention and makes you feel recognized and important. You can harness this power by using her name naturally throughout your conversation. For instance, instead of just saying "That's interesting," try "That's really interesting, Sarah." It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on how she perceives your interaction. 8. Share a secret. Sharing a secret is like offering someone a VIP pass into your personal world. It creates a sense of intimacy and trust that can significantly boost your connection. Now, we're not talking about spilling your deepest, darkest secrets here. It could be something as simple as a childhood dream you've never told anyone, or a quirky habit you have. The key is that it's something personal that you don't share with just anyone. 9. Display positive energy. Positivity is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who exude happiness and optimism. By maintaining a positive attitude, you can make yourself more attractive and enjoyable to be around. For instance, if you're stuck in a long line together, instead of complaining, you might say, "Well, at least we have more time to chat." This positive spin can turn a potentially frustrating situation into an opportunity for connection. By being the source of positive energy, you become someone she looks forward to spending time with, someone who brightens her day and makes her feel good. 10. Make her laugh. Making the girl laugh is like casting a magic spell that can transform the entire dynamic of your interaction. Laughter releases endorphins, the body's feel-good chemicals. When you make her laugh, you're literally making her feel good, and she will associate those positive feelings with you. Plus, shared laughter creates a sense of connection and intimacy. But here's the thing. Humor is subjective. What's hilarious to one person might fall flat with another. Pay attention to what kind of jokes or stories she responds to best. There you have it, 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you. Do you want to know the best dating advice for men? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.